Welcome to our flaky flatbread recipe. Get ready to savor the flavors of this delightful Asian bread. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. Stay updated with our latest recipes and never miss a delicious moment. Let's start with the ingredients. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup ghee, 1/2 cup warm water, ghee or butter for frying, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds. Let's move on to the preparation. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix them together until well combined. Now, add 1/4 cup of ghee to the flour and rub it into the flour using your fingertips. Keep rubbing until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Slowly pour warm water while kneading the dough. Knead the dough until it becomes soft and pliable. Once the dough is ready, cover it with a damp cloth and let it rest for about 30 minutes. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, making it easier to roll out the flatbread. After the resting time, divide the dough into equal-sized balls. Take one ball and roll it out into a thin circle using a rolling pin. It's important to roll it as thinly as possible to achieve those beautiful layers. Then, take a little ghee and apply it all over the rolled-out dough. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Now, there are 2 methods to create layers. But before we proceed, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. Here we'll be sharing delicious recipes with step-by-step guides to satisfy your culinary cravings. Let's begin with the first method. Starting from one end, make small, tight pleats or folds on the dough until you reach the other end. Think of it like folding an accordion or a fan. This folding technique will create layers in the flatbread. Once you've made the pleats, gently roll the pleated dough into a spiral shape. Press it lightly to seal the edges. Second method. Using a knife or pizza cutter, make long, even cuts to create strips of dough. Once the strips are cut, gently pull and collect the strips together. Then, carefully roll the strips into a spiral shape. Press the edges lightly to seal them. Before roll out the dough again, apply a small amount of oil on the surface. Then using your fingers, roll out the spiral-shaped dough into a thin circle. You can also use a rolling pin, but be careful not to apply too much force on the dough. Heat a griddle over medium heat. Pour some oil on it, then cook the flatbread for a minute or 2. Flip and cook the other side until golden brown and crispy. Apply ghee or butter on both sides and continue cooking until done. Finally, you have your delicious flatbread with beautiful layers and aromatic flavors. Serve it hot with your favorite curry or enjoy it on its own. Until next time, happy and healthy cooking with the food recipes.